Hi guys, it's Big C with the Contenders hockey break that ended at 6:12. It is June 14th, 9:29, and here is the sign-up sheet. Not much of a sign-up sheet. I don't think I'm doing any more hockey. I've learned my lesson on the hockey. So I like the hockey, and I don't know if it's just because I don't know why. I know I have a tough time with the names and all that, but I got a tough time with the girls on my basketball team I coach's names too, so I don't know if anybody takes it personal. I certainly hope not. But that's all right. So Big C owns just about every team. There's a few here. So yeah, I just did hockey just because I thought the stuff was kind of neat. The patches were neat. And no, I'm certainly not a hockey fan. I like watching it and all that every once in a while. But, I'm a huge baseball fan, football fan, and I still screw that stuff up. Screw them teams up and names up sometimes too. So I don't know. Like I say, nobody said anything. I don't know if it was a bad night or whatever, but no more hockey for me. And they got like the best stuff too as far as patches go and autographs. I mean, it really is good looking stuff. So there is the ID number, and I will put this up like so. I'm having a tough time seeing that. There we go. So 0793. So, and there is 0793. So here we go with the old hockey. I'll show that again just to make sure it's upside down, but it is 0793. So here we go with the Contenders hockey. And again, if anybody ever wants any of this stuff, I can get this stuff relatively, at cost. I got a little markup that I pay on them, but if anybody wants anything, let me know. I think I can get the Contenders boxes for, I'd probably sell them for $90, $95. I'd have to double check, but if anybody wants any of it, just let me know. So, and here we go. We are off. Easy to sort these, if anything. So Denise, she always panics in the hockey just because she don't know them either, because she sorts all my cards. And base. Let's see. What the heck is that? We got the Coyotes, the Oilers. We got Fleury, number 635 of 999. I have heard of him. Jay Crouch 19. Let me do that again. Had that a little too close. But I believe you do get, I think it's three autographs. I think I've opened one box where I had a really nice patch. Oh my God, it was a really sick patch of a guy. I can't remember who it was. Base, decoy, base, and base. Flyers, Carey Price, base. We got Mike Commodore for the Flyers. That's number 99 out of 100, and the Flyers would be Walnut. Base and base. Here's our first hit for the Capitals. Akimichu Eugene. Of course, Cody Eakin for the Capitals. Autograph, 63 out of 800. As far as name goes, I'm sure I butcher his name all the time. Hey, thanks for coming back, Dow. I don't know. I probably said it. Probably never said it right. Let's see here. We got all these are just base. Alex Ovechkin base. And again, I think a lot of it has to do with the region. We're not in a. I live in Cincinnati, so I'm not really in a hockey region. Or an NBA region for that matter. We've got for the Wild, Chris Friedham, $9.99 for the Wild. That would be Big C. And then we got the Wild. We're still looking for 2 more autographs. Antti Kopitar for the Kings. Sugar Shane, 1969. Base and base. Gustav Nyquist for the Flyers, 311. That would actually be Walnut again. Or Walnut, I should say. I shouldn't say again. Still looking for one more. Oh, here's a redemption. I know I won't know this name. Claude, NHL Inc. Claude Guro. Hold on, I'll have to look him up. I really don't have a clue on who he's with. So let me look that up really quick here. Actually, he plays for the Flyers. Actually, first round drafts, he actually seemed like a pretty. So that would be for the Flyers, and that would be for a Walnut. And that should be all the autographs. I know I have did one of these. I think there were 4 autographs. All base. Base. And base. Coin and base, and the last 2 packs. Maybe you get another one. David Savard for the Blue Jackets. I will bet the Blue Jackets didn't sell, but let me find out. No, the Blue Jackets did not sell. So 708 out of 800. So actually, we did get 4 autographs in that one. So we get 5. I knew that football stuff. Boy, that football stuff had a bunch. Some of them boxes were crazy. Alrighty, guys, that should do it. I appreciate it. Keep checking on my auctions. Big C 2014. There might not be any more hockey, but there'll always be the other baseball, basketball, and football. And I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.